Meetings shouldn't be monologues.
Foster collaboration, encourage active participation, and spark creativity during meetings by preparing 3 questions that you will ask participants. Questions like, what would you add to make it better or reduce costs? What would be 1 thing you will eliminate to improve the experience? To make it even better, use visual collaborative tools like whiteboards or collaborative sessions like this one. Spaces like this helps you encourage everyone to participate and capture their knowledge easily. It's usually fun and easy to use. Each participant can add a sticky note or answer your questions while someone else is sharing their opinion during the meeting. Another thing is that meetings don't have to happen in real time. Seriously, you can lead meetings and turn them into very collaborative ones asynchronously. Not only that, you can even make sure you can hold people accountable and gather the information you need on time. Asynchronous meetings look very similar to traditional meetings, but instead of you talking during the meeting, you are leading it through a video or some question. Like this. Here is a question. And here people will add their answers and react to each other's answers. Then you can add a due date so people know by when you need them to participate. Next Thursday. All right? Done. Remember to assign them as collaborators by clicking here. One more thing to add any session. Work session, meeting, asynchronous meeting, or anything else. Add a session like this. Start from scratch if you want to, or leverage one of our tools. For example, if you want to gather feedback about a design, find a template for that. Do you want to get a proposal approved? Find a template. Are you looking for a template to discuss your business model? Find the template. Are you going to lead a stakeholders discussion? Find a template for that and edit the information so that it fits your current objective. Click Edit and add context. The time you used to spend writing an agenda is the time it takes to prepare this. Add this to your calendar and invite your team so they have access to the agenda and prepare for the conversation easily. Remember, meetings don't have to be monologues and don't have to be run during live meetings.